They mocked his tiny house, but once they saw it from the inside, they were amazed. Tokyo, the current capital of Japan, is one of the most populous cities in the world. For that reason, both architects and builders use their ingenuity and creativity in doing their job so that families are satisfied with their homes. Despite being so tiny, these houses are being very well accepted there due to their organized layout. In fact, for a family of 3, the home you see on the screen is more than perfect for them, and that's why they bought it in the first place. They were happy to live in a house of only 55 meters squared, even though some people dare to mock them for living in such a dollhouse, as they said. However, the reason for their satisfaction is the comfortable and well-arranged interior. Moreover, the modern furniture and decorations make it look lovely and cozy. The architect took advantage of every corner and made use of light to make it appear even more spacious. The house has 2 floors and a loft. On the first floor, you'll find a large bedroom with small windows, making it look very bright and feel more refreshing. In addition to a comfortable bathroom and a shower on the second floor, you'll find a very well-equipped kitchen, a dining room, an office, and even a spare room. And of course, the loft is used as a playground for the owner's daughter. The property owner affirms that some of the people who've come to visit him thought it would be impossible to live in such a small place. However, all of their thoughts changed once they entered the house. They said nothing. Instead, they kept staring in awe at the beautifully organized interior. By the way, the company Mizuki Architect Atelier is the one that was in charge of the design of this beautiful house. As is known, living in a small home does not necessarily mean living without comforts or luxuries. Ingenuity and cleverness can help us adapt to the most challenging and uncomfortable situations. Also, it would be good to try and live in a more minimal lifestyle. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked today's video. Please don't forget to leave a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any new stories.